Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Jatisari. Now I will explain to you about how to make a simple tripod in the jungle. And look at that. I have a branchy tree in here, and look at that. I will put it, and look at that. And put the your smartphone in here like this. Yeah. Okay. Like this. This is your smartphone, and you put like this. And look at that. What happened? And look at that. Look at that. It's work. It's work. Yes, I have a tongue says. It's amazing. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. And look at that. This work. And look at that. I have a tongue says in here. Wow, it's amazing. It's very, very amazing, huh? Oh my God.